how to transfer money to Cash App. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can transfer money to Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to transfer money to Cash App, all we have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch Cash App here. If you are trying to pay someone, so let's say I want to send $100 to someone, I just enter the amount here and then I tap the pay option. Now what I can do is I can allow the contacts access over here, or I can simply enter the cash tag, the phone number or the email addresses. I can send them as a cash, as a gift card, and then tap the pay option to actually transfer money to another user. Your friend needs to provide you either the QR code, or what you can do is you can simply give them the cash tag, and once they give you the cash tag you will be able to send money to their cash tag. This way you will be able to transfer money to Cash App. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.